what's up? My name is Juan. We are here in Brazil, in Cumbuco beach. Great spot to practice kitesurf. Actually, it's one of the best in the world. We have between 18 and 20 knots each day and 30 degrees Celsius. Really great to practice kitesurf. It's a really simple sport and easy to learn. After a long day of work, I'm going to do the last session of the afternoon, showing you some tips and some movements of the kite. So this is the board I'm going to use. It's a Brunotti board, great for jumpings, with great straps and size. Actually, I don't remember, but I think it's 138 centimeters. You have to put your straps at first in the correct position, really tight. Yeah. You go to the right over there and to the left like that. And you jump like this. So now we're going to prepare the kite. We're going to use a 12 meters because the last session you have less wind, so a 12 meters will be okay for me. I'm going to look for the bar. The bar, you have to put it always downwind. This is the bar we are going to use. It's a new one, new duotone bar. Great for making faster the kite. And really strong lines, great materials. I recommend this bar. So now we are going to put it up. You always have to go 4x4, and this part is really important because of the safety of the student. If the lines are crossed, then you could have an accident. So be careful when you are putting up the kite. Then when you finish, this is a really technical sport. Okay, pretty much easier than surf, much easier than windsurf. You only have to start with the first 10 hours of course with an instructor because could be a bit dangerous. And then when you finish your first 10 hours of course, then you are totally independent. So the kite is a combination of two important knowledge. One of the board and the other of the kite. If you know how to skate then or wakeboard, then you only need to know how to move the kite. And if you know, for example, windsurf or parachuting, then you only have to know how to use the board in the water. The last session of the day. So I give the sign to him and then he leave it. If you pull from the bar, you need to put a little power and direction and then you go. And the same to the other side, okay? You start at 12, you give power and direction and then you go. Now I'm going to the water now. here kiting Cumbuco. I recommend all the people to come here and enjoy this magnificent sport.